Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And yes, as you can see on my screen, we have an invest in the Eastern Pacific, which could become Invest 90E in the next couple of weeks. South of the coast of Mexico, an area of low pressure is forecasted to form along through 700 miles to the south of the Gulf of Tibet, the Gulf of Tibet. I don't know how you pronounce it. Sorry. By the middle to late portions of this week, thereafter, some gradual development of this system is possible, as the low begins to move slowly to the west-northwest, remaining south of the coast of Mexico through early next week, and they're giving it a formation chance of near 0%, and in the next 7 days they're giving it a 30% chance of formation. Now, most of the models have backed down. Some of the models wanted this to become a brief category 2 hurricane, but most of the models haven't backed off by now. But we do have an area of interest in the South China, not in South China, in the South Indian Ocean, 92S in the South Indian Ocean. It looks decent, but I don't think it will form. Some of the model runs do have it forming, but I don't think it will form. A quick look at the La Nina real quick. The last time I made a video, you can see the La Nina wasn't looking that very strong. Now, if you look at the La Nina now and the Enzo 3.4 region, you can see the La Nina strengthening very quickly. In fact, you can see it strengthening very quickly. It has gone back up a little bit, but that's what the Enzo does. It fluctuates between cold, warm, neutral. So it fluctuates a little bit, but by June you will expect this to be in either a week into borderline La Nina or weak La Nina. So anyway, I'll show you the model runs for the system that's out in the Eastern Pacific. The Eastern Pacific hurricane season starts on the 15th, I think, or the 16th, which is either tomorrow and Thursday. So this is when the Eastern Pacific can start producing powerful systems. Just gotta wait for it to load real quick because I've got my game on as well, which makes it slower. But anyway, we'd like to talk about that. As you can see, yeah, I've got the Eastern Pacific up right now. You can see it. There is a cloud of just mess right now. If you have a look, if I show you back on the N8C, you can see just a cloud of mess. It's just all it is, just a big bunch of mess. That's very disorganized. But I'll also show you they've issued the next special tropical outlook on the system will be issued at 2 p.m. tomorrow. That's 2 p.m. East. No, that's 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or Pacific Daylight Time, which is, I believe, that's 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That'll be 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So as you can see, it is a disorganized blob right now. There's a low pressure there, low pressure there. There's a low pressure there, but I think it's the one that will come off the coast of Costa Rica and Nicaragua and Honduras. It's that system there. You can see, this is the system that I'm on about here. Keep an eye on this system here as it heads towards the west-northwest. You can see it weakens a little bit, but then it doesn't get picked up until I think like Saturday, early Saturday, Saturday 18th of May. This is now when it's a tropical depression or a tropical storm, 1001 millibars. At this point, it will probably be called a tropical storm Aletta, which is the first name on the Eastern Pacific, followed on, I think, is it by Blanca or Bud? I don't know. I think it's Bud. Yeah, it'll be Aletta Blood. It'll be Aletta Bud. Well, the two names still, the two next names. As you can see, though, it did weaken a little bit as it goes west, dips a little bit south, and this is the track that these storms take at this time of year in the Eastern Pacific. Just moves west, strength weakening. Its peak, I think, was 981 millibars, which is borderline category 2. Yeah, borderline category 2, right? 85, 90 miles an hour. Between 80, 85 and 90 miles an hour. The reason why this is being pushed is because of this high pressure system here, which pushes it westward, and plus this trough coming off the coast of Mexico as well, and this weakens the storm by Sunday, May 26, 2024, and then that's it. But for the I'll quickly show you the North Atlantic. Not like we're going to get anything there anytime soon, but areas to watch for May are the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico, and this are these areas here. This area here is the prime for May this time of year. The Caribbean, you guys will get some rainfall, I think, in the next couple of days. But other than that, you're not going to get a lot of rain, probably like, 10 millimeters, which is 1.5 inches of rainfall. That's in Nicaragua and Honduras. Costa Rica, you're gonna have 20 millimeters of rain, which is I believe 10 inches of rain, which is still quite a lot in Costa Rica. El Salvador, you're probably gonna have like 50 millimeters because of the area of interest in the east.